Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You sign into Gmail and head straight to the mailbox where the message likely is. Once signed in, open the left menu and reveal All Mail. That view shows archived items. If using mobile, tap the hamburger menu and scroll to All Mail, or use search within All to include archived messages. Make sure to note whether you're in the correct account. Multiple accounts can hide archived mail in a different profile. Now you run a focus search to surface the archive. Type the sender, subject, or keywords and add in All to include archived messages. This narrows results immediately. Once done, apply filters, has, attachment before or after dates, or a label to cut noise. If results remain broad, use quoted phrases or operators like from and subject to target the thread. Remember, search is faster than browsing. It pulls items from archive, inbox, spam, and trash when you include in All. When you find the archived message, decide what to do. Select it and click Move to Inbox to restore visibility, or add a label so it stays archived but is easy to find. Once done, you can create a filter to prevent re-archiving. If multiple messages match, use bulk select to act on them quickly. If you still can't find the mail, make sure device sync is on and check trash. Sometimes filters or another account moved it. Try the same search from a web browser to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.